I have a Botch Exxcel 8 VarioPerfect washing machine and the fault code E43 has appeared. I have trried to reset but there is no spin button on it. How do I go about it, please? Nitin.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Can you post the full model number, please? If you open the door, there will be a sticker on the inside and it will start near regards.
Hi Daniel. As it is, I cannot open the washing machine door. I have tried several times. Model no. Walk to 8461GB is sticker on the side. Color cloths are still inside.
Hi, thanks for that. E43 error code is a fault on the motor circuit. But as to the reset, the model number you have posted does have a spin reduce button. If you look at the display screen, there is 3 buttons to the right side of it. The bottom one is the spin button, as THT has the swirl on it. So to reset the code, it's as below. Turn the knob to off. Turn the knob to the 6 o'clock position. Wait till the start light begins flashing. Press and hold the spin reduce button. While holding it, turn the knob to 9 o'clock position. Release the spin button. Turn the knob to off. Try that and it should clear the error code. Then retry the washer and see what happens. But if it happens again, then there is a fault on the motor circuit. What you need to do is remove the motor and check the carbon brushes in the back of the motor and see if they have worn down. If so, then you need to replace them and fingers crossed that will cure it. So try the reset first and see how it goes. But your model does have a spin button. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
Hi Daniel. Fault code is gone, but this afternoon my wife put some more cloths to try it out. Again it works, but it does not agitate and motor is working. Draining is okay, spinning is okay without the cloths. Any suggestion, please?
Hi, when you say it's not agitating but the motor is working, then the other thing that will stop the drum from turning is the belt. How can you tell the motor is working? Regards.
Motor hums but it does not go forward or backward, and I tried it without cloths in drain/spin cycle, 6 o'clock dial, it fills with water, turns drum, spins and drains. Only thing is 22 minutes cycle cut shorts in 13 minutes.
Hi, okay, I think this is worn carbon brushes in the motor here. What you need to do is remove the motor and check the carbon brushes in there and see if they have worn down. If so, then replace them and fingers crossed that will sort it from there. Regards.
Filter is checked, pump is working, but only thing might be PCB. Okay, I will check tomorrow, then I will let you know. Thank you.
No worries.
Hi Daniel. I have taken the motor out, taken out the brushes, cleaned the armature and brushes are long and okay. Put everything back and still no joy. Could it be pressure switch or motor itself? Motor spins in spin cycle, drains but it does not agitate.
Hi, okay, if the motor spins okay on the spin cycle but won't turn on a wash cycle, then all it can be really is a faulty control board here. as it's the control board which tells the motor when to turn and when to spin. So from the sounds of this, I'm afraid it's looking like it's possibly the control board here. Regards.
Thank you. I will have to see and call the engineer to fix it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.